I'm Jody from 123 Minimize, and today we're talking about silverware. So when simplifying your silverware, it's a good idea to grab all the silverware that you have from around your house. So just make sure you got your dishes clean and everything is gathered from lunch boxes and work lunches and whatever you have around the house. So step 2 would be to take everything out of the drawer, wipe down your organizer or your drawer or whatever you have your silverware in today. Think about what spoons, forks, and knives you really need for your family, and get rid of things that you don't need. For example, I have a couple spoons in here that don't belong to me. They were probably left here at some dinner that I hosted, and it would be a good idea for me to return these things to the rightful owners instead of donating them. What tips do you have for simplifying your silverware drawer? Do you have anything that works for your family? Do you have a silverware organizer that you love that you'd like to share with me? Have fun simplifying your silverware today. Good luck!